Hello, 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 hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I just had to show you this gorgeous top that I have been designing. I just love how it's turning out. Can you see the lace? Oh my goodness. Look what I did the crochet top. It's terrible windy here. Crochet on the neck. I do have a tutorial, so check those out. And I am still knitting. And if you have a little bit of tummy in front of you, this would be perfect because the purl stitches are increasing, as you can see. So just love how it's turning out. I am still going to work on the sleeves, so I haven't done the sleeves yet. So I'm wearing this, trying it on, and then seeing how it looks. See? I might do a couple of more increases. I'm not quite sure. I just need to see how it looks. But other than that, this is how it looks so far. This is my own design, and I did it with you guys. Together we did it. So I have a total of 3 tutorials. Check them out. It's super easy, and I made a chart how to crochet this lace stitch. So easy. It only works on 13 stitches, and it's a repeat after that. 13, and then you start with 2 purls, and then I don't know, every 10 rows or 15 rows, just try it on and see how it fits. You do your increases, so you start with 2, and then you have 4, and then you go on like that. Here I have 8 at the moment right here. So I did my increases, and you can see them. I haven't blocked it or anything. So I just wanted to say hello, happy Sunday, and I wanted to show you how my working is going on so far. It's taking time because the yarn is pretty thin. I stuck this yarn right here. See how thin the yarn is? It's 2-layer linen yarn, linen thread. See how it looks? Love it, love it, love it. So stay tuned, guys. Happy knitting. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.